The Groyne Lighthouse, located at the mouth of the Tyne River, welcomes generations of mariners into South Shields Harbor since 1882. When founder John Barber established himself in South Shields in 1894, he chose the Groyne Lighthouse, or beacon as Barber called it, as the name for his protective outerwear. First introduced in 1908 in Barber's first ever catalog, the Beacon brand has remained an established brand name representing the best in quality outdoor country clothing for almost 50 years. The Herd Groyne was built in the early 1880s to prevent sand from the beaches south of Tynemouth's harbor from washing into and depositing in the river mouth. Effectively, the Groyne is a small seawall separating the beach from the river, enabling safe passage for shipping into the River Tyne. The lighthouse was built in 1882 and displays a series of lights indicating directions to be taken upon entering the port's breakwater walls. The light has a 10-second period, flashing on for 8 seconds and off for 2. This matches the light character of the South Breakwater Lighthouse. This system of colored lights still exists in fantastic condition with many of the original features. The tower is painted red, clad in corrugated metal, and has a foundation of stilt-like legs called piles. These would have been screwed into the sandy base of the Groyne to give the tower added strength instead of building upon traditional foundations. A staircase leads up to a service room just below the lantern, and a ladder inside of the tower then provides access to the light itself. A fog bell in the gallery rings every 10 seconds. It is automatically sounded in poor weather. Here you see a copy of the Groyne Lighthouse with exact detail in 1/16 scale. This model is 70 centimeters wide at the base and 106 centimeters high. The lights of this model display the timing of the original, and the bell sounds in fog mode. This model of the Groyne Lighthouse was built in the Flint Deco gallery for the Barber Moscow store. We can also build this model in a larger scale of 1/12 or 1/8 scale. You can order this model for the design of your store. According to your wishes, the model can be supplemented with figures of fishermen in barber clothes, a dog in a barber's cape, motorcyclists in Barber International jackets, and even with a model of the classic 1956 Triumph T100 motorcycle. Placed in the window, or in another space of your store, the lighthouse serves as an excellent object to attract potential buyers. Being an icon of Barber, this beacon promotes the popularity of the brand.